Mehruni Nala Check Dam has been constructed in Kaulsinga village of Dopala Gram Panchayat in Kontamal block of Baudd district in the financial year 2017-18 by Baudd Minor Irrigation Division at an estimated cost of 76,69,000 rupees. This has been constructed over the Nala that is flowing in village Kaulsinga. In the past, except in rainy season, there was no water flowing in this Nala in other seasons, and the farmers of this area were unable to do farming depending on this dry Nala. As they were badly affected by drought time and again, this check dam was constructed by Baudd Minor Irrigation Division. Receiving water from 116 square kilometer catchment area, today sufficient water is being stored in the reservoir of this Mehruni Nala check dam. As a result, though there is less rain, still the farmers are able to save their kharif crops from drought by utilizing this water.
मेहरुनीटा बहुत सुखा थिला जाफल कि खरीफ चाष हो पार नथिला एबे चेक डैम रे हिजवारु पानी रही कि खरीफ चाष खुशखास रे होई जिवो।
Situated at 20° north latitude and 83° east longitude, this check dam having 7 gates is helping in irrigating 40 hectares of farmland. This is playing a very important role in strengthening the financial status of the local farmers.